Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today we're checking out this cool trading card game, and this was sent to us by the manufacturer for us to check out today. Now this game is actually really cool. It sort of combines like trading cards and real life technology all into one. So the object of this game, whoop, there goes the instructions. The object of this game is to create a monitor that SOTSU actually produces. So an ingenious idea from them. Get you interested in them by playing their cool card game here. This would be great for, children that are interested in technology, STEM type stuff. But these things are really high quality here. As you saw, it does come with the instructions. The instructions are just sort of like, hey, this is how we recommend that you play the game, but you can also sort of play it however you would like. Also, the cards included in here are actually really nice. Let's go over some of them real quick. You're going to get you a cool cut card here at the very starting, and then you're also going to get a whole bunch of cards here, as you can see right there. I'll go ahead and quickly show some of them to you. Right there, got some of the equipment cards. We'll scroll through, see some of these other ones. Material cards. You're going to get a direct labor card, an outsourcing cards. Let's see, like I said, STEM. You're going to get some scrap cards. Let's see, acquisition cards and some collateralized cards. And what else do we have in here? Reverse engineering cards. So overall, a really cool game. You're also going to get these little things here that you can punch out, little tokens, so that you can also play the game with the rules that are provided. Overall, really cool. There are also like expansion decks that you can purchase separately. Right there they are. So if this is something that you would be interested into, probably a kid would be interested in, like I said, for learning about technology while having fun, gonna have to highly recommend these ones right here from SOTSU. Like I said, it's a really cool trading card game.